Okay, we're back with Angry version 1. Bit of an experiment today. I've decided to take away the heavy 1250 kV motor. It was a lot larger than this, and run a high kV 2200 kV motor with a 7x4 prop. Change the battery, just lighten the whole thing up. It's 660 grams now, so it's a massive weight drop. Just trying to make it like a really fast aerobatic wing just for the fun of it. And I tested it the other day and it was brilliant, so I'm just hoping it's going to be the same. Few little odds adjustments just to the CG, but it's really solid, sleek and fast. Let's see how we go with this new mod. 1200 kV motor and a 7x4 prop. Here we go. Into the wind, and we're right now. And look at that. Half throttle and she's blistering past me. I'm happy with that. Pulls around very fast, like a pylon racer. Well, maybe not that fast, but and just silent. I'm running a 1400 milliamp hour battery on this 50C. Still climbs a fraction as I speed up, so I'll get a little bit more down trim. But absolutely plenty of thrust. Crank her up now to go vertical, and beautiful. Switch her off there for glide. A little bit more down thrust then, just to sort that out. I'm very impressed with this model. Beautiful low pass. Sensitive on the elevators. Yeah, look at that. That is something. Vertical, and we'll just keep going as long as I'm on the throttle. So that is a winner. And it loves the long glide, even though I haven't got a folding prop on it. It's such a small prop, the drag is not that bad. And you probably can't even see it, but it's gliding beautifully up there. 660 grams, it's a lot of weight dropped. And it's fairly efficient, it's only drawing 23 amps. I've got a 40 amp ESC in there. So I've got plenty of headroom. I could even go up the prop size a bit more speed if I wanted to, but at the moment this is magnificent. I've got a battery motor on it. Just like how straight it tracks, and so stable. I think I can drop the throws to 70% though. As you speed up it gets a little bit twitchy. And vertical. Other side vertical. Little fall. Awesome glide, very fast. Only problem is slowing it down in the wind when you want to land it. So I'll prep for landing now. Just going to slow her down. And spin it around into the wind. It's going to keep going, I can see that. I'll do a slow lap. Bit of wind picking up now, so that could help me. Very sleek. Doesn't want to pull up. Here we go. Wide arc. Slow her down. Stall. Beautiful.